How to download and install Grammarly on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, just go to the Play Store application and make sure that you download the Grammarly application over here. As you can see, I've already installed the application. Now I just have a tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Grammarly application on my device. Now just make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection over here. After that, the home page will look something like this, and here you'll have the option of get started. So tap on get started and just agree with the options. Then open up the settings over here as it instructs you and give access to display over other apps so that it can be run in the background as well. So just go to Grammarly and allow display over other apps. Next, what you need to do is just tap on open settings again and tap on agree. After tapping on agree, you just have to give the shortcut options over here. So as I tap on the accessibility, just go to the downloaded apps and then over here on the Grammarly writing assistant, just make sure that you toggle on these options and just wait until you see this pop-up where it warns you, but just make sure you tap on OK over here. After tapping on OK, you can just tap on sign in or sign up over here. So after tapping on that, it will give you different options to sign in or create an account over here. Here you can sign in with Google or your Facebook or Apple. I'm going to sign in with Google over here. And you just have to select the account that you want to associate with Grammarly application on your device and then tap on continue. And there you go, you have logged into your Grammarly application now. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next